We'll guide you through how to make a glitch transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project. Give the project a name if desired and wait for the editing workspace to load completely. Next, go to the edit page to start editing your video and access the timeline tools you will need. Import 2 clips into the media pool so they are available for use in the project. After importing the media, drag both clips onto the timeline and place them in the order you want them to appear. Make sure the clips are positioned correctly on the timeline and that the cut between them is located where you want the transition to occur. If there are any unnecessary sections that will not be used in the final edit, trim those parts from the clips to keep the sequence clean and organized. Once the clips are prepared, open the inspector panel. In the inspector, adjust the zoom setting so the video fits the screen properly and appears framed the way you want. If the clip appears too high or too low within the frame, change the Y position until it is aligned correctly. If the clip is too far to the left or right, adjust the X position to center or reposition it as needed. After making these adjustments, review the clips briefly to ensure everything is aligned properly and looks consistent. Once everything is aligned, open the Effects panel to access the available transition options. Go to the Video Transitions category and browse the list of transitions. After placing the transition, customize the transition settings to achieve the desired glitch effect. When the settings are configured, preview the edited video to make sure the transition looks smooth and matches your expectations. Watch the sequence carefully and make any necessary refinements. When you're satisfied with the result, export the video using your preferred render settings and save the finished file for sharing, publishing, or future use later on.